50th anniversary of the Corvette. 2003 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible Anniversary Edition. So anniversary red, shale interior, shale convertible top, LS1, 5.7 liter underneath the hood. And get ready for this, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, low mile car, 20,795 showing on the odometer right now is all. As you can see, aftermarket, good looking chrome wheel on this car. Let's take a look at the front fascia. See, paint shows well also. Of course, nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. You'll be able to see the still pictures there, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Here's a little closer look at that chrome wheel, Continental radial tires, a few years old. I believe it was 2022 and 2021 as far as the tires go, so plenty of life and tread left in those. You'll be able to see those treads close up in the still pictures, undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk. Take a look down the passenger side of this car. By far, probably the most popular model we sell here at Unique Specialty and Classics is this 50th anniversary edition. You don't believe me, look on our website in the sold category, and then go look at 2003 Corvettes. So no major nicks, dings, scratches. You may find a small imperfection here or there, one that's been maybe touched up a small spot, but overall you can see. Passenger side looking good. Interior, of course, bucket seats, center console, and again, that shale leather. Nicely equipped. This does have the selective ride control, heads-up display, electronic dual climate control. We'll put the top up too. I'll show you how easy it is to do that. It's a manual top, very simple. In the pictures, you're going to be able to see it with the pictures up, or pictures of the top up and down. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. If you like Corvettes, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, whether you do it online or right off our showroom floor. Like it when you can come to see us in person. Look up and down the driver's side. Again, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. The one spot I did notice is it looks like when it was on a lift, it did get scuffed down below there where there's a couple of spots of touch-up paint right there. That's the one thing I did notice on it. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. All right, so your monitored amenities, you can have, of course, your power windows, locks, mirrors, power seat over here on the driver's side, memory seating. And you can see the bolster in the seat, not full of rips, tears, holes. 50th anniversary embroidered into the headrests on the seats, tilt column. Again, heads-up display, driver's information center. We'll start it up, let you run. We'll check out those headlights, take a peek underneath the hood. Stick around to the end of the video. Jason's going to take it for a drive. There's your exact miles, 20,795. There you can see the heads-up display working. No check engine lights, service engine soon, anything like that. Gauge is working. That was a cold start. Temp gauge shouldn't be up. Only light that's on is telling me to put my seat belt on. Of course, AM, FM, CD player. And it's working. Dual electronic climate control. Again, selective ride control. Dash looks good. Nice aftermarket rubber floor mats too. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Power antenna works. No crazy exhaust. Stock exhaust. Take a look at your underside picks. Very clean underneath there also. headlights. No gear clicking or grinding, all good there. How about underside of the hood? LS1, excellent power plant. Hood liner nice and clean. Extremely clean engine bay. What you'd expect, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, lower mile car. No surprises under the hood. I think we should check out this convertible top, and then we'll wrap up this walk around and let Jason take it for a drive. So let me get the tripod set up. I'll show you this convertible top going up and down, how easy it is. Check out the condition. We'll wrap this up. And there it is. You can see, quite simple. Oh, did it even take me a minute? All right, nice tight fit above the windshield. I rolled the side glass up so you can see how that fits nice and tight. No rips, tears, holes. Doesn't really look like much wear at all. And again, shale fabric, cloth, no rips, tears, holes. Nice fit on the passenger window also. So once again, no surprises on the convertible top either. Tell you what, let me go ahead and show you how the top gets folded back up in there real quick. But first, remember, 2003, 50th anniversary edition Corvette convertible, a little over 20,000 miles is all. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. When you call in or email, I'll go ahead and flip that top down, show you how that works going back the other way. And like I said, stick around. Jason will take it for a drive.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2003 Chevrolet Corvette. This is an automatic right here on the center console. This car's showing under 21,000 miles. A nice low mile Corvette. This is a convertible and we do have the top down today. Excellent acceleration and handling as you would expect from any Corvette. All our gauges appear to be working properly. The fuel gauge is at 3/4 of a tank. Battery charging at 14 volts. Oil PSI while we're cruising along is 45 pounds. And the temperature 195. Factory stereo working great. That was the FM. Cruise control working as it should. Comfortable leather bucket seats. Just a smooth running Corvette. AC blowing cold. Brakes nice and smooth. Just the right amount of rumble coming from the tailpipe, and when you get on the throttle you hear it a little bit more, as you should. Corners very well. Take a look at all the pictures and learn all you need to know about this Corvette at uniqueclassiccars.com.